So if you're getting errors, capacity mismatch, or anything like that on a USB, you might want to try this. In fact, I'll show you the website. Any of them problems. It's basically a formatting tool designed for USBs to cure problems. Obviously, it's a last resort, and you're going to lose data. So you might want to make a copy of your USB first. I haven't got a USB in there, it's an SD card, but I ain't going to do it. So you can even list USB hard drives. I've not tried it on a hard drive. It wants to do it in exFAT because it's over 32 gig. I didn't check the quick format. It's going to take a lot longer, but it's going to do a thorough job. You can check for bad blocks while you're doing it, and you can select 1, 2 passes, or select your NAND device. If you don't know what NAND device you've got, use Chip Genius, and then obviously just press start. So that's it. It's a good tool. It cures a lot of problems, all of them. So well worth trying before you go to drastic measures.